Stop risking data hallucinations and compliance leaks.
Turn fragmented data into real-time decisions with Agami.
Welcome to Agami Technology's journey from data to decisions. In this presentation, we'll explore how generative AI and data fabric can help enterprises turn complex data into faster, smarter decisions. Enterprise data is spread across multiple systems, creating silos and making information difficult to access. Organizations need a smarter way to connect, understand, and use this data. A Gen AI data fabric connects data across different sources and adds intelligence, context, and governance. This creates a unified foundation for enterprise AI. The architecture is built around three key pillars: a unified data layer, a semantic engine, and automated security. The unified data layer brings information together from different sources, while the semantic engine adds business context and meaning to that data. Automated security helps ensure the data remains protected and governed. Together, these pillars create a connected, intelligent, and secure foundation for enterprise AI. Turning data into decisions happens through four key stages: ingestion, mapping, synthesis, and execution. First, data is collected from different sources. It is then mapped and organized so its relationships and context can be understood. Next, AI helps synthesize relevant information and generate insights. Finally, those insights can be turned into actions and business decisions, helping organizations move from raw data to real-world outcomes. Traditional architectures often rely on disconnected systems and manual processes. A Gen AI data fabric creates a more intelligent and flexible foundation for enterprise AI. By making trusted data easier to access and understand, organizations can accelerate decision-making, improve efficiency, and increase business value. With the right data foundation, AI applications can access better context and deliver more relevant insights. This enables smarter and more scalable enterprise automation. Intelligent data organization helps systems retrieve relevant information faster. Faster answers mean faster decisions and action. Enterprise AI needs strong security and governance. A Gen AI data fabric helps protect sensitive data while supporting responsible AI adoption. The journey starts with building the data foundation, expands through mesh deployment, and ultimately enables autonomous AI. Organizations can scale step by step. At Agami Technologies, we help organizations turn emerging technologies into practical business solutions. With intelligent data and generative AI, the journey from data to decisions becomes faster, smarter, and more actionable.